Good morning, children. In our unit, we have discussing a new section, back and forth. A small jar can hold 2 liters of water and a large jar 6 liters. So, the large jar can hold 3 times as much as the small one, isn't it? Small one has 2 liters. Larger jar contains 6 liters. 2 3s are 6. That is, a larger jar can hold 3 times as much as the small one. We can reversely say that the small jar can hold 1 by 3 of larger one. Is it okay? Both result are same here. If this is the smaller jar and it is the larger jar, smaller jar contains 2 liters of water. Larger jar contains 6 liters of water. So, we can definitely say that smaller is 3 times of the larger. That is 2 3s are 6. And reversely we can say that 6 of 1 by 3 is 2. Let me check. 6 of 1 by 3 is equal to 2. That is the smaller one. This is the back and forth. We can express same thing in both direction. Okay? If it is like this, smaller jar contain 4 liters and the larger jar contain 6 liters. Then 4 is not half of 6, or 4 is not 4 3 times is not 6. We cannot find out a whole number relation here. So we know that half of 4 is 2, isn't it? Then 2 3 times of 2 is 6. Here we can say that 3 times of 1 by 2 of 4 is 6. Like this, 3 times of 1 by 2 of 4 is equal to 6. Is it okay? In this same, we can reversely say that this is 3 times, that is 6 of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 of 6 is 2, and 2 times of 2 is 4. That is inversion. Half, here when we inverse 1 by 2 we get 2 by 1, that is 2 times. Here it's 3 times. When we inverse it, we get 1 by 3 of. Same thing we can be changed by using times and of. How can we say that 6 liters and 8 liters in the reverse method? We know that 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. Isn't it? 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. Then 2 is 4 times. When 4 times of 2 is 8. Reversely, we can say that here it will be 1 by 4 of 8 should be 2, and 3 times of 2 should be 6. 3 2s are 6. Here 1 by 4 into 8 is equal to 2. Okay? When we put together these two results, we get like this: 6, 8. Here it is order 1 by 3 into 4. So overall change there is 4 by 3 times. And in the reverse it should be 3 by 4 of. 4 by 3's reverse is needed here. Is it okay? Let me find out how can we convert 8 and 10 in terms of times and of? First, we need to divide these two numbers, 10 by 8. We know that 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. We can express in the same multiplication of 2 or 3 like as. Next, in our numerator and denominator, if same digit is repeating, we can cancel it. The remaining should be 5 by 4. Okay. Then we need to find out what is times and in what is of. 8 is 5 by 4 times of 10. And the next should be 4 by 5 of 10. 4 by 5 should be 8. Like we check 10 into 4 by 5. We get 40 by 5, which is equal to 8. Okay. If my question is the price of 1.5 kilogram of tomato is 30 rupees, what is the price of 1 kilogram of tomato? We know that 1.5 kilogram of tomato is 30 rupees, isn't it? Then we know that 1.5 should be 3 times of half and half. Okay. Then 30 should be equally divided into 3 terms, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So, half kilogram of tomato is 10 rupees. Then 1 kilogram of tomato should be 20 rupees for 1 kilogram of tomato. Okay, children. This is my question. Here, 3 questions are given. You want to find out the terms in times and of. What should be the time part and what should be the of part of these 3 questions. Okay, children?